Today, we're going to have an important discussion about something that many of us don't think about until it's too late: life insurance. More specifically, we'll be talking about life insurance provided by your employer and why it might not be the best solution for your long-term financial security. Now, if you're like most people, you probably think you're covered because your employer provides life insurance as a benefit. But here's the truth: it may not be nearly enough to protect your loved ones and secure your financial future. In fact, there are some major limitations to employer-sponsored life insurance that you should know about. Today, I want to dive deep into how it works, why it might not meet your needs, and how owning your own life insurance policy can benefit you in ways that the employer plan just can't. Let's get into it. Let's start by breaking down what employer-provided life insurance typically looks like. Usually, your employer offers a group life insurance plan as part of their benefits package. This plan is often cheap or even free for you. Sounds great, right? Who doesn't love free stuff? But here's where the red flags start to appear. 1. The coverage is usually pretty basic, often equal to 1 to 2 times your annual salary. 2. The cost of coverage increases as you get older. And here's a big one: it's typically only valid while you're employed. Let's break these points down so you understand the potential risks. Employer life insurance is designed to be a basic, low-cost option to provide some peace of mind. But it often isn't enough to fully cover your family's needs if something were to happen to you. Let's say you earn $50,000 a year. If your employer offers 2 times your salary, that's just $100,000 in coverage. Now, that might sound like a lot of money, but it likely won't be enough to replace your income for a long time, especially if you have a mortgage, children, or other financial obligations. Think about it. Your family still has to pay the mortgage, your kids need to go to school, and you've got day-to-day living expenses to cover. Now let's talk about something many people don't realize. The cost of employer-provided life insurance increases as you get older. While your employer might give you a low-cost plan when you're young and healthy, once you reach your 40s or 50s, you'll notice that the premium starts to go up. This is because life insurance companies see you as a higher risk the older you get. This can become a big problem as you age. The cost for employer life insurance may start off manageable, but could get more expensive over time. And if you leave the job, or if your employer drops the benefit, you might find yourself paying even higher premiums for a new policy with another provider. It's just not a sustainable long-term solution. Here's a major issue. Your employer life insurance is tied to your job. If you leave your job or retire, that coverage disappears. You might be able to convert it to an individual policy, but it's usually much more expensive and doesn't offer the same benefits as owning a policy from the start. Here's why owning your own life insurance policy is so valuable. 1. It's tailored to your needs. Unlike the basic coverage provided by your employer, you get to choose exactly how much coverage you need. Whether it's $50,000, $1 million, or more, you're in control. 2. It's portable. No matter where you go, your life insurance policy goes with you. Whether you change jobs or retire, the policy stays in place. 3. Lock-in rates for the long term. When you buy your own policy, especially a term life policy, you can lock in your premium rate for the duration of the term, whether it's 10, 20, or 30 years. This ensures that, as you age, your premiums don't skyrocket. 4. It can grow in value. If you choose a permanent life insurance policy like whole life, it can accumulate cash value over time. You can borrow against this cash value or even use it as a source of retirement income later on. Owning your own policy puts you in the driver's seat. You're not tied to your job and you're not at the mercy of rising premiums. I want to leave you with this thought. Life insurance is about protecting the ones you love, and it's about giving yourself peace of mind knowing that you're covered, no matter what. Relying solely on your employer's life insurance can leave you with too many gaps. It might be a good starting point, but you should definitely consider supplementing it with your own personal policy. So, what's the next step? Start researching life insurance options, talk to an agent, and figure out what makes the most sense for your situation. If you don't already have your own life insurance policy, now is the time to take action. Don't wait until it's too late. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts about life insurance. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, take control of your financial future. It's never too late to start planning. See you in the next video.